wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best LCD writing tablets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Sunany 8.5-inch has a professional look that works well for adults who may want to use it in their office or kitchen. That doesn't mean kids can't have fun using it too, since it's robust and has a handy erase lock function. It includes 2 magnetic strips and an extra battery. However, the writing isn't bright enough. At number 9, in addition to functioning as a blank slate, the Boogie Board Magic Sketch features 18 different stencils that help kids practice math, writing letters, or just having fun tracing superheroes and other cool designs. It also allows them to draw in multiple colors. This one doesn't require charging and comes with 4 styluses, but its contrast could be better. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Newyes robot comes in 3 colors and can be purchased as a combo with either a lanyard or a case. The writing contrasts sharply against a black screen, so you don't have to worry about being able to see it when in a brightly lit room. It's great for hangman and tic-tac-toe, and the edges are easy to grasp. It's thin yet durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LCD writing tablets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Boogie Board Scribble and Play might just be the best model for young kids. Lines are displayed on the screen in a variety of colors, and the writing utensils are thick and chunky so that little ones can easily get a secure grip on them. It can withstand quite a few drops, and each stylus has a different tip, but its longevity is questionable. Moving up our list to number 6, the Boogie Board Jot Original feels almost exactly like using a pen and paper and has a simple one-button operation, so there's essentially no learning curve for most users. Images will stay on the screen indefinitely until you decide to erase them. This one's brighter than many other models and great for grocery lists. It seems durable and well made. Halfway up our list at number 5. Available in 4 fun colors and with protective bumpers on all corners, the simicore next-gen chalkboard is ideal for children. Not only will it inspire them to let out their creativity more often, but it can also be locked to prevent accidental erasure. This one's suitable for kids aged 3 years and up, and the stylus snaps securely into place. It comes in at a budget-friendly price too. At number 4, the Boogie Board Sync allows you to transfer anything scribbled on it to a computer or smartphone via Bluetooth, and features a rechargeable battery that lasts through about 5 days of regular use. Plus, its tactile feedback feels very similar to drawing on paper. It's equipped with an internal memory to store pages and suffers from no input lag. The stylus is like a ballpoint pen. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the sunany doodle board uses a long-lasting replaceable watch battery, so you never have to worry about remembering to charge it. The screen itself has no glare, and everything on it can be completely erased at the touch of a button. This one attaches to ferromagnetic surfaces and is always ready to write on, plus it's readable in full sunlight. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LCD writing tablets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Jot Mini is hardly bigger than a phone and can easily be kept in a purse or pocket for those times you need to write yourself a couple of reminders as you go about your day. It's also perfect for the small hands of kids who would struggle with larger models. It comes with a stylus that clips firmly onto it, a lanyard attachment hole, and a built-in kickstand. And taking the top spot on our list, the Boogie Board Original is super lightweight, coming in at just 4 ounces and measures an 1/8 of an inch thick, so you can easily toss it in a backpack or briefcase. Its pressure-sensitive screen lets you create lines of varying width based on how hard you press. It accepts stylus and finger input and holds images until you erase them. It includes mounting magnets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LCD writing tablets, or simply click beneath this video.